Core system libraries failing because of the Netutils Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. While we explore the technical guide for Netutils Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Netutils Library, the Net Utility Library. It provides unmanaged helper functions for network management and user group orchestration, facilitating the foundational data link for network manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of Netutils Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Netutils Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type netsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. Second, type netsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Netutils Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Netutils Library and system health. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Netutils Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.